Welcome to the platform. Today, I'll show you just how simple it is for students to submit homework. When a tutor assigns homework, students receive both a push notification and an email, so you'll never miss it. You can open the homework directly by tapping on the notification or go to My Courses. Open the course where the tutor has assigned homework, head to Content, and look for the homework icon. This icon makes it easy to spot any assigned homework. Tap on it to view the details. You'll see the description, the submission deadline, and the maximum marks. Once you're ready to submit, scroll down to the Submission section. Here, you can upload your file, and if needed, add a quick note for your tutor. After that, just hit Submit, and you're done. When your tutor evaluates your homework, you'll receive a notification. Tap on it to instantly see your total score, marks for each section, and any feedback shared by your tutor. That's it. Quick, easy, and seamless.